Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today we will talk about wooden craft project ideas functionality in any environment by showing the collection of different types of wooden crafts items you could consider using them for sale or personal use. So watch the video until the end to see our selection and get inspiration. Wooden crafts have long been cherished for their versatility and functionality, offering creative solutions that blend aesthetic appeal with practical applications in various environments. The intrinsic qualities of wood, its warmth, durability, and adaptability, make it a favored material for a wide range of crafts, from furniture to decorative items. This exploration delves into how wooden crafts excel in functionality across different settings, highlighting their role in enhancing both everyday life and the overall ambience of a space. At the heart of the functionality of wooden crafts lies their ability to serve multiple purposes while maintaining a sense of style. For instance, in home environments, wooden furniture pieces often transcend their primary functions. A wooden dining table, for example, is not just a surface for meals, it becomes a gathering place for family and friends, a workspace for projects, and even a display area for decorative items. The versatility of wood allows it to be crafted into various shapes and sizes, accommodating the diverse needs of modern living. This multifunctionality is particularly valuable in smaller spaces where maximizing utility is essential. In addition to furniture, wooden crafts can be found in a myriad of forms that enhance functionality throughout the home. Wall-mounted wooden shelves, for example, not only provide storage but also serve as a canvas for displaying personal collections, plants, or artwork. This dual purpose elevates the aesthetic appeal of a room while ensuring that space is used efficiently. The tactile quality of wood adds a layer of warmth to these functional items, creating a welcoming atmosphere that enhances the overall experience of the environment. The kitchen is another area where wooden crafts shine in functionality. Wooden utensils, cutting boards, and serving platters are not only practical tools but also add a touch of rustic charm to the space. The natural properties of wood make it an ideal material for kitchen items, as it is gentle on knives and inherently antimicrobial. A handcrafted wooden bowl, for instance, can serve as a centerpiece on a dining table while also being used for daily food preparation. This seamless integration of functionality and beauty exemplifies how wooden crafts can enhance the culinary experience. Beyond the home, wooden crafts also find their place in commercial environments, where functionality is paramount. In retail spaces, wooden displays provide an inviting and organic feel, drawing customers in while showcasing products effectively. The use of reclaimed wood for shelving and display units not only contributes to sustainability but also creates a unique aesthetic that resonates with consumers seeking authenticity. This combination of form and function is especially important in today's market, where the shopping experience is increasingly tied to the overall atmosphere of the space. Dear viewers, are you enjoying our today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Moreover, the adaptability of wooden crafts extends to outdoor environments, where functionality is just as critical. Wooden benches, picnic tables, and garden planters enhance outdoor living spaces, providing both seating and storage solutions while harmonizing with the natural surroundings. The durability of wood ensures that these outdoor items can withstand the elements, making them a practical choice for gardens, patios, and parks. The warm tones of wood, juxtaposed with greenery, create a visually pleasing environment that encourages relaxation and social interaction. The functionality of wooden crafts is also evident in their role within workspaces. Desks, shelving units, and organizers crafted from wood are not only aesthetically pleasing but also promote productivity and efficiency. A well-designed wooden desk can enhance focus and creativity, providing a comfortable surface for work while adding a touch of elegance to the office environment. Similarly, wooden organizers and file holders can help maintain a clutter-free workspace, ensuring that essential items are easily accessible. The tactile nature of wood contributes to a calming atmosphere, which is essential for fostering a productive work environment. In educational settings, wooden crafts play a significant role in functionality as well. Wooden toys, puzzles, and learning tools are not only durable but also foster creativity and hands-on learning experiences for children. The natural qualities of wood make it an ideal material for educational items, as it is safe and engaging for young learners. In classrooms, wooden furniture such as desks and chairs can be designed to accommodate various age groups, ensuring comfort and functionality. The warmth of wood in educational environments creates an inviting atmosphere that encourages exploration and interaction. The impact of wooden crafts extends beyond their functional applications. They also foster a deeper connection to nature and promote well-being. In a world increasingly dominated by artificial materials and technology, wooden crafts offer a tangible link to the natural environment. The organic textures and warm hues of wood can evoke feelings of comfort and tranquility, making spaces feel more welcoming. This emotional connection can be particularly beneficial in therapeutic settings, such as hospitals or wellness centers, where the calming presence of wood can enhance the overall experience for patients and visitors alike. As sustainability becomes a more pressing concern, the functionality of wooden crafts is increasingly aligned with eco-friendly practices. Many consumers are now prioritizing responsibly sourced or reclaimed wood for their crafts, reducing their environmental footprint while enjoying the benefits of durable and functional items. The durability of wood means that well-crafted items can last for years, minimizing waste and promoting a culture of long-lasting quality. This shift towards sustainability is not only beneficial for the planet but also adds value to wooden crafts, as consumers are drawn to products that reflect their values. The evolution of woodworking techniques further enhances the functionality of wooden crafts. Advances in technology, such as CNC machining and laser cutting, allow for precise designs that combine intricate patterns with structural integrity. This evolution enables artisans to create highly functional items that are also visually stunning. The fusion of traditional craftsmanship with modern technology results in unique pieces that cater to contemporary needs while preserving the timeless appeal of wood. This blend of innovation and tradition exemplifies the enduring relevance of wooden crafts in today's design landscape. In the functionality of wooden crafts in various environments is a testament to their versatility, durability, and aesthetic appeal. From enhancing the ambience of homes to providing practical solutions in commercial and outdoor spaces, wooden crafts excel in serving multiple purposes while maintaining a strong connection to nature. The emotional resonance that wood evokes, coupled with the increasing demand for sustainable practices, positions wooden crafts as essential elements in modern design. As we continue to embrace the beauty and functionality of wood, its role in our environments will undoubtedly evolve, enriching our lives and spaces for years to come. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces ideas you can use for your home, office, or patio decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.